Today we're taking a look at the AP150 Pro tire inflator. This is a portable tire inflator and it can inflate anything, whether it's a car tire, motorcycle, bicycle, recreational balls, soccer ball, basketball, and everything in between. So here's what you get whenever you purchase this product. We're going to go ahead, open this little bag up and show you everything that comes with it. Of course, you get the bag for easy carrying. You get a USB charging cable. This right here are all the various tips you're going to need. You get your needle for your different balls and different tips to just inflate really whatever you need. What I like about this are these are really, really nice quality copper fittings here. Very, very nice. You get your cord right here, which of course this is where all your fittings go in. This is where you'll attach to your car if you're inflating your car up. And last but not least, the actual unit. So I will tell you this is more than just a tire inflator. It also doubles as a power bank and even a flashlight. You get your regular flashlight mode, then you get the blinking flashlight mode in case you gotta let someone know you're on the motorway or whatever. Now, turn this bad boy on. First thing you see is this amazingly beautiful display that's very easy. You can see it from right here easily, from pretty much any angle, very easily to be displayed. This thing is going to be color coordinated too. It's going to be red until it's done inflating. Once it's done inflating, it's going to turn green, so there's no second guessing. What I like about this is it takes all the guesswork out. All you have to do you want to inflate your car, motorcycle tire, bicycle tire, a ball, and that's everything in between, completely customized there. All you do is select what PSI you want to go to, hit the power button, and it's going to go ahead and start, and it's going to start fast. This thing can inflate one tire from 20 PSI to 36 PSI in 1 minute. Of course, you get that very, very clean display right here. It doubles as a power bank and as a flashlight, so you get a multifunctional tool as well. This thing is great. Awesome in emergency situations, and with this compact size, you can keep it with you anywhere. You could even say if you're a bike rider, you can just keep this little tiny thing in your backpack. So if you ever need to inflate a tire on the go, this thing is right here. And with it being so versatile as a flashlight and a power bank, you are really set up no matter where you are. Now, this thing is super cool right here. Fast inflation, and also this thing will run for 45 minutes off a full charge. So if you have several balls you need to inflate, this is gonna get where you go. The Gooloo AP150 Pro portable tire inflator, power bank, and flashlight. Absolutely amazing tool for your arsenal. 5-star product. I highly recommend you get one. Now time for a live demo. So I'm going to inflate this much needed to be inflated basketball with the new Gooloo portable inflator. So first thing you got to do, get this ready to go. You just screw on the little, I'll call it an air jack. We'll screw this little air jack directly onto your compressor. Now it's on nice and tight. Now we have the special ball needle, which comes with your kit, of course. Your kit has everything you need to get started, so it makes it very, very easy. Push that into there, close it up and secure it. Bam. Now this is ready to inflate. On my ball here, you probably can't see, but it says inflate to 7 to 9 PSI. So we're going to inflate it to 8 PSI just because we want to be in the middle of things here. So turn this on first. We're in car, that's motorcycle, bicycle, basketball mode. It's already at 8 PSI right there, so we're ready to go. We'll just stick in the needle here. Oops. Needle goes into the ball. And now, get ready for the magic to happen. And just like that, it's inflating the ball for me. You can literally see this happen in real time. And it's super duper easy. I'm not doing anything. I plug this thing in, I set the time, and I'm watching it go. You'll see it start counting off here slowly. There we go. That's going. 3 psi. 4. Who knew how much air a ball could take? Crazy. We're at 5 right there. We got 3 more pounds to go to. We're good. 6. 7. 1 more pound to we're complete. 8 pounds. Perfectly inflated basketball. Pull that needle out. We'll give it a bounce test. Yeah, I would say our inflator did a super duper job on this ball here. Yeah, this is a great inflator. Put it in your sports bag, keep it in your car, keep it in your mechanic shop if you're a mechanic. This thing absolutely rules. Incredible inflator.